Yeah, I know, but I was like, I can't. I got booked. I don't think anybody's gonna take a time out for me to run to the car and come back.
We can recreate them for you.
Yeah, really.
Yeah.
It's always in the right place at the right time.
I know. I think we got that one on film.
Yeah.
Just in the nick of time.
Oh. Oh shit! God damn, that was a good. That was a great effort right there. Holy shit! If I do that at his age, I ain't not getting that.
Yeah. And ever. And
I'm talking about ever.
And with that body?
Never. Golder's impressive, man. I remember a few years ago making some grabs.
Oh, yeah.
He still is a good backer.
You want to see that kind of effort from the front guys now.
Are you telling me where you're going now, or what?
Ask him, because I'm just hitting it where he pitches it. So.
Okay.
I'm feeling inside, just like you know.
Right, okay, I'm ready.
Jesus Christ.
Holy shit, you know what?
Greg, get loose.
My fucking back is tight. Fuck.
Does anybody ever change pitchers in the same at bat? Pitchers in the same at bat?
Oh, yeah. All right.
We're going a foot inside, a foot outside. Odds are it's up the middle this time.
You got one?
I gotta stretch my back. Okay. Here you go. Sweet.
Ow, God, that hurt. That swings first. Note to self, wrist roll pulls hurt hip.
Hurt hip.
Got to go down.
Counterintuitive.
You got to go down and through, not up and pulling it out. Come on, Ron.
My wife tells me
You're wrong.
you're shuffling your feet again.
Let's go, man. He runs it down, though. You'll never hear the end of it. He outran it.
Damn it.
He outran it.
He had his wheelchair going too.
Did you ever say anything about that?
That was the slowest.
He looked like old man McCoy. Old man McCoy. Go Pepita. Go Pepita. Get that.
Gordo, sweet.
Little Luke, get the ball, little Luke.
It looked like mating season.
Yeah. Oh shit.
All right, Greg, I'm going to tag you in here. We'll rest around the back.
Okay.
I can't make this a one-pitch tournament the rest of the day.
Ronnie's back tightening now.
That's his excuse.
Yeah, that'll work. Fuck, I'll try that.
Spasm!
Shit, yeah. Hey, somebody's got to come in and pitch.
Let me see one.
Too high, right?
Yeah, we had to go to the bullpen already in the first.
Uh-oh. Oh, wow.
Okay.
Wow.
Yeah, you could probably start out just a little higher since you and I are not used to going. Okay.
Now? Ooh.
Didn't know what to do with the straight pitch. He screwed me up.
See?
I say that, and then Greg pulls it back towards
was
the
that?
Sorry about that.
What
You
was
know,
that
I was
thing?
sitting there and I'm like,
It was over here.
I'm like, in the middle of the kitchen, I'm like, did we get that out of order? That's what I was thinking. I'm like, was that Ron? Hit that left? I forgot I was batted. I'm like, sorry, I won't do that again.
Isn't that funny? Funny.
I was thinking,
we bat out of order.
Like, I can't pitch this. Sorry, Dan.
Fortunately, I was going push, you know.
Feel you, Dan.
Nice.
Nice shot, Ron.
Good job.
Now he's sitting on fire.
Yeah, now he doesn't have to worry about He's gotten that pitching burden off his shoulders. He's going to relax and hit.
Well, my back's loosening up now, you know, so. Yeah.
I got a little shimmy back in me
Down.
now.
Far going back down.
All of a sudden his back is loose after one swing.
Smile on his face.
I'm a slacker deep down, okay?
Aren't we all?
Yeah.
Box's voice carries, doesn't it?
Gotta leave room. Mike, which one? Can you get?
He kind of said the same thing on me.
But I didn't know which one.
You didn't know who was leaving?
Yeah, I knew they were gonna leave early. They're coming up.
We've been
All right,
trying to get
good
Dan
pitch,
for 30 years, for God's sake.
That's a miss. But I'll take it.
Four?
Yep.
That was the best pitch either. Came in well. I think
We'll give you a couple rotations.
Thank you.
Yeah.
It's better last time. I think I pulled it towards
We're going to have a new stat for OTL, the number of feet pitches from the can. You know?
All right, Ron, let's get Dan up again. Front.
Get Dan up again so we can fuck with him some more.
It's a lot more fun if we can fuck with him.
Yeah.
Nice.
Ball, Ron.
My goal is to hit one square this game.
Well, you need a good pitch to do that.
Yeah.
Got one.
Got one, guys.
Gordo's trying.
The thing is, Greg's middle game is like Gordo's in his heyday, though. They just look like they're going to come to you and the bottom falls out. There we go.
Pitch, good hit. I got you go.
There we go.
Hey, Dan,
Yeah.
let them know home run
Okay.
wins it.
Home run wins it, Mike.
You got 9 hits.
Have a thought. All right. I agree. Ronnie can't hit that far anymore.
Don't get in Ron's head.
Oh, there's one.
Ah, somebody better cover the middle.
That's Mike's job. Come, Ronnie.
Calling his shots now.
Signs. Hit that before I'll hit it again. Okay. Go with what works. Okay, that worked.
That worked.
You keep backing up, Fox.
What?
You keep backing up.
You gonna drop it in front of me?
Huh?
Come on, let's see how good you really are. Come
No,
on.
I can't do that.
Come on, right here.
No, you're better off back.
Show me some skills.
No.
You can't do it! You can't do it!
No.
You can't do it! Oh my God, I had it!
Game, gentlemen.
Is that it?
One more hit, right? One more.
Oh, I got, wait a minute. I
Yeah,
got
one more hit.
4,
We only got 2 since you said a home run.
Is that it or one more hit?
13. No, that's, I got 13 hits.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's it. He added wrong the first time.
Yeah,
He added wrong.
Nice try, right?
He added wrong. He said that's 13 hits.
that's it.
Okay.
Yeah. Because I added
Don't
in
never
their hit
question
that
Dave.
they had up on top, and I was gone.
Never in my life have I ever questioned Dave.
Thanks for not subjecting me to another pitch this game.
We want to see how truly skilled you are. want to hit you if this is. I know.